PJ Rogers here at the airport, excited for our phenomenal Asia sourcing experience. I'm here with 10 students. We're just leaving Honolulu to go to Asia. We're going to start in Vietnam. Then we're going to head to China. And then we'll be in Korea. That's our last stop. We'll be there visiting multiple companies, meeting with executives.
Welcome, we're here at the port of Dalian, one of the greatest exporting ports here in China.
And helping these students understand the entire sourcing, logistics, manufacturing process. We are really excited.
Xin chào, welcome to Hanoi, Vietnam.
Was making this same product from China, their quality was better.
Use electricity to make the metal melt and give it a shape.
We're in China.
There's something that only 4 companies in the world have.
80% is OEM for custom.
干完了以后做手工的。
One ingredient from one company? No, we always keep at least 2.
Here is the mold assembly area.
Call that flash, F-L-A-S-H.
Out of 10.
But now you understand where they all come from. So you have to use the right type of plastic for your containers.
Gave us 450 different pounds of the test.